Shown here are 3 different styles of Emtek crystal cabinet knobs. First, we have the 1 1/4 inch Georgetown crystal knob, shown here with the brushed nickel base, but available in a variety of finishes. Next, we have the 1 1/4 inch Hampton crystal knob, again shown in a brushed nickel base, but a variety of finishes are available. And third, we have the 1 1/4 inch diamond cabinet knob, shown here with a French antique base, but available in a variety of finishes.